Do you ever look in the mirror and wonder, who the heck is this person that's staring back at me? Look, I get it. Motherhood is hard. It's the hardest job in the world, but losing yourself in the process, that is even harder. And I've seen so many women either ignore their passions or bury their purpose, whether it's because they've had kids, responsibilities, or they've been working through past traumas. They've lost their confidence. But ignoring your purpose is going to hurt way more than chasing it ever will. This space that I've created is not just for stay-at-home moms. It's for moms, it's for grandmas, it's for aunts, it's for sisters. It's for any woman who feels like she has lost herself along the way. If you've ever felt invisible in your own life, then you're not alone. I became a mom later in life. I had spent years trying to figure out who I was, and when I finally found myself, everything changed because I had children. Now, I love being a mom, but I still felt that sense of being lost all over again. The only problem is this time I couldn't go back to who I was before because motherhood changes you. So I had to completely reinvent myself. And in that process, I found a new spark and a new adventure that I now affectionately call Wilder Profits. And I want you to know something. I want you to know that you do have gifts to give this world. You do have passions, and they matter. And when you rediscover that spark, when you let yourself come alive again, everything shifts. This isn't about ignoring motherhood or responsibilities. It's about reclaiming you, like the real you, your passions, your spark, and discovering how to turn them into paydays. Because when you come alive, not only do you thrive, but you also inspire others, and you create a freedom that you've never had for your family all at the same time. And because I'd be denying my own passions if I didn't, inside this community, you will also find spaces for unschooling and homeschooling and natural health. These are a big part of my life, and they are what keep me grounded. And I know that if they've created a spark in me, that there's a good possibility they'll create a spark in you too. This is about creating a space where you can bring all of yourself, not just the business side, not just the mom side, but the whole wild, beautiful you together in one space. Now is the time to stop shrinking back and to actually take that next step forward. So if you are done putting yourself last, if you are ready to stop pushing your gifts into the shadows and actually start using them, then I invite you in. Click the join button and let's start turning your passions into paydays the wilder way. And no, the wilder way does not mean mom's gone wild. It means going back to the roots of who we are as women, raw, real, and ready to bring our purpose to life. Once you come alive, you become unstoppable. And I cannot wait to welcome you on the inside. So we'll see you there.